Hey guys, my name is Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development and how to gain financial freedom. In this short video, I'm going to share with you how to make money online. This is a question one of our viewers asked. What are the best ways to make money online? So if you're interested in how to make money online, this video is for you. But before we get to that, we've done a little research. We've realized 61% of the people that are watching my channel have not subscribed to the channel. So if you are, I kindly ask you to hit that subscribe button to help grow the family. And whilst you're there, please hit the like button because it would help the algorithm to push the videos to lots and lots more people that will learn from it. Let's get to it. So the first hack is exploring emerging online market. You want to go online, find out what people are doing. Very important. Find out what is trending. For example, right now AI is trending. If AI is trending, find one AI tool that you can immerse yourself on. It could be ChatGTP, for example. Go on ChatGTP, see how it works, educate yourself how it works, find prompt that would enable you to do so many stuff. Explore that niche to see how you may be able to use your skills with ChatGTP. Suppose you are a writer, you're very good in writing. So what you want to do, you want to have prompts that would allow ChatGTP to bring some stuff for you. Or perhaps you're going to write your paragraph or your story, whatever that may be for you. You whack it on ChatGTP, ask ChatGTP to rephrase that for you to make it a better paragraph or to make it a better story. Perhaps you are a web developer. You can work with ChatGTP to help you develop a website. We also have voice recognition technology that mimics people's voices. Learn how these things work in order to take advantage of it. Maybe you want to be doing editing, looking at how to edit people's videos. So for example, you saw my video and you think there's ways to improve the videos. You can approach someone like me to find out how you can best serve me to edit my videos, to improve my YouTube channel, for example. So whatever that may be for you, you can go online and look what is trending. Once you've seen what is trending, find what resonates with you. Don't go for the money, by the way. Learn it and then implement it. And when you're providing the offer, don't go say, pay me thousands of pounds. Say, how about if I can do this for you for free? So see how you see the stuff I offer you. If the person likes it and you added value to them, guess what? They will want to work with you. Number 2, leverage social media platform. Now, why am I saying this? Because I've seen so many people waste valid time in social media. All they do is watch people's statuses, what they ate today, where they went for lunch today, how their day been today, watching people doing so many crazy stuff online. Basically, look at it this way. Change the lens that you're using for social media. How about if you like people doing crazy stuff online, like eating or maybe going out taking photos, going out for dinner. How about if you be that person that they'll be looking at? Have you think about it that way? Like leveraging it that way. Instead of you watching people doing that, have you thought about looking at their story? Like how they started, what they're doing, how they've been able to get all those followers, and see if you can replicate that for you. Have you thought about that? Maybe you see someone doing really, really well online by doing so many different things, or maybe doing one thing. Have you tried to copy them? Have you tried to find a way you could shadow them? Perhaps you're very good in this social media thing. You know how to get lots of likes, lots of followers, lots of subscriptions, for example. Have you thought about monetizing it? Perhaps you are very good in cooking. Have you thought about recording yourself whilst you're cooking, especially if you're on TikTok? Make it funny, right? Or perhaps you are on Instagram. You can go live. You can set the camera there. Literally, you start cooking, right? People would also help grow your channel that way. Literally, people will be watching it, sharing with friends and family, and you can grow. And then once you start growing, guess what? You monetize it. You monetize it that way, you'd also be making money. Hence the reason why I said do not do it for money. Do it because you want to add value to what you're doing. Instead of you going stalking people what they're doing, how about using what they're doing to your advantage to implement yourself? Right, here's the thing. If you do it, you will become even better than them because you're copying what they're doing and you're improving what they're doing in yourself to get yourself to the next level. right? Here's the thing, all successful people that's the way they make money. They look at something, look at the problem for that specific service or product, go there, improve the product, improve the service, and then take it to the next high. Guess what? They make serious return on their investment. You name one business that have not copied another business, it's non-existent. Everybody copied each other and improve it. Do not use social media for entertainment, just for you to literally pass time. Use that time to educate yourself so you can replicate what people are doing to become financially free. Number 3, utilize affiliate marketing effectively. Are you one of those that like to buy so many stuff? Are you one of those who likes to do shopping or like to do different stuff? Or perhaps you're one of those that like to be associated with a certain brand? If you're one of those, have you thought about being an affiliate for that program? Have you thought about being an affiliate for that product? Have you thought about being an affiliate for that service? Because literally, there's another way you could make money online. Doing what you love whilst people pay for it, especially if you're one of those that likes to swag, right? If they see you online, you're doing really well, they're going to ask you to promote their brand. So once you promote their brand, you're going to create a link, and that link is what generates the income. Have you thought about utilizing that program? Or have you thought about maybe looking for a travel website, for example, or an airline website? Apply on their affiliate program, and there you can promote their product and services in your website or with your friends, stuff like that. Have you thought about referrals, for example? If you've got a broadband, have you joined their referral team where you can refer your family or friends to join that broadband company or to join a program, and you get paid that way? That's another way you can make money online. Number 4, capitalize on remote working. What do I mean by that? If you've got a skill, try to utilize it at home, right? COVID has taught us so many things. It made the world literally expedite the living to 50 years in advance. You can now stay at home, work remotely. You can go and do your daily job if you like it or you love it. You could be doing remote work, perhaps being someone else's virtual assistant, maybe being someone's writer, maybe being someone's graphic designer, perhaps being someone's video editor. Have you thought about that? Number 5 is one of the most important, if not the important. Invest in digital assets. What do I mean by invest in digital assets? You see these photos you post online, these places you go, your touristic photos, or maybe you've got a knowledge, you've got an idea of what you want to do, right? It's all about executing that, making people know you for it. Suppose you're like traveling, you like going on holiday. Perhaps you want to be showing that online. People will know you for someone who wants to go on holiday, someone that spent time in nice restaurant. Create that, make that an asset. Guess what? Companies will start coming to you to go to their restaurant, to go to their shops, to go to their supermarkets, to go to their clothing company, to promote stuff. Then you started to create an asset, right? Online asset, by then now having your own name, your own slogan, things like that. That could be another way you can make serious return on investment. And I've seen people making serious return on their investment in doing exactly that. So these are the 5 hacks you could use online to make you serious return on your investment and eventually make you financially free, and that means you'll never have to work for anyone in your entire life. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing the next video. Thank you.